The DOOGEE X93 is probably one of the cheapest smartphone from DOOGEE Mobile, launched in August of 2021. The phone comes in 6.1 inches display with 600x1280 pixels and sport a dewdrop notch design above the screen where the selfie camera is kept. The device comes in a plastic body, measuring around 156.0 x 73.8 x 9.8 mm body and painted in navy blue, mint green, and sheer grey colors. The phone is based on the old MediaTek MT6580 CPU, and it has 2GB RAM and 16GB of expandable internal storage. The device has support for dual SIM and is powered by a large 4350 mAh battery and Google Android 10 OS out of the box. But does not have a fingerprint sensor, and 4G LTE network is not supported as well. DOOGEE X93 smartphone comes with a 6.1-inch HD Waterdrop display encasing a selfie camera. It further houses a triple rear camera module consisting of an 8MP AI primary sensor and a 2MP portrait camera. There's a 4350 mAh battery that can offer a couple of days battery standby. Furthermore, the DOOGEE X93 smartphone comes with a MediaTek MT6580 quad-core chipset coupled with 2GB RAM and 16GB internal storage. It supports expandable storage up to 256GB via a microSD card via 3-tray SIM support. DOOGEE CS2 smartwatch comes with a 300 mAh battery which offers 15 days of standby upon a single full charge. The smartphone comes with support for 24 sports modes including cycling, table tennis, badminton, skipping, football, walking. Furthermore, it houses a heart rate monitor, accurate step counting, a breathing guide,